Okay. So, good evening, all. Let's start our North Zonal quiz. You all aware how to use the Kahoot? Download the Kahoot app or visit www.kahoot.it to participate in the quiz. For a smoother quiz, I recommend to join with the two devices. Please use your mobile number as your nickname while joining the quiz.
No, Varun. Let them use their name as
Name?
their.
Okay. Please use your name as your nickname while joining the quiz instead of your mobile number. The Kahoot pin will be displayed on the screen during the Zoom meeting. To score higher, remember both the accuracy and the speed. You will have 20 seconds to answer each question. And at the end of the quiz, 4 winners will be announced and they are eligible for a semi-final quiz that will be conducted on 6th of December in Fertivision post-lunch. So can we start?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So Shivam, can you share the... So this is the pin. It's been displayed on the screen. Five, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I'm not able to join.
9, 9, 10, 10 people has joined.
Shefali joined.
11, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11.
Shefali. Shefali, please join.
If somebody is having difficulty in joining, please put in the chat box. We'll sort that.
11 has joined. How to join? Dr. Shefali is asking, should I tell you again?
Yeah, sure. Please tell me.
So download the Kahoot app or visit www.kahoot.it. Okay. I have the app, ma'am. Okay. So please use your name as your nickname while joining the quiz.
And enter that game pin which is on displayed here.
And then use a game pin that is displayed on the screen. This is a pin. Give me a minute, ma'am. Okay, we are waiting. Dr. Shefali has told. Done. Okay. So, where's your name? Okay. So 12 people has joined.
Should we start?
Yeah. So 12 people has joined, sir. Okay, fine. We can start. Countdown start now. Now we start with the first question. Which structure in female is homologous to male prostate? Ske's gland, Gartner duct, Bartholin gland, bulbourethral gland. Hurry up, hurry up. So answer is skin glands. Okay. So second question, which enzyme is present in granulosa cells but not in theca cells? 11 beta hydroxylase, 17 beta hydroxylase, aromatase, acid phosphatase. So answer is aromatase. Okay, next. What is the structure pointed by an arrow? There's a picture given. So it's a trophoblast, inner cell mass, amniocytes, polar body from zygote. So answer is inner cell mass. Okay, 11 answered. So next question, anti-Mullerian hormone is secreted by following cells. Leydig cells, primary spermatocytes, Sertoli cells, secondary spermatocytes. Shivam, please unmute Dr. Arun sir. So it's a Sertoli cells.
I will request everybody to please answer. There is no negative marking.
What is the most common cause of premature ovarian failure? Idiopathic, autoimmune, infection, chromosomal. It's idiopathic. Yes, 9 answered. Correct. So most common consequences of PCOS, endometrial carcinoma, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, obstructive sleep apnea.
Shivam,
Yes,
go
yes,
slightly slow to the next question. Shivam,
obstructive sleep apnea. Yes, sir.
Shivam, please go to the next question slightly slower so we can see the results. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Severe OHSS is, according to RCOG 2016 guidelines, hematocrit less than 0.45, hematocrit more than 0.45, tense ascites, WBC more than 25,000 per ml. Yes, answer is hematocrit more than 0.45. So 5 answered correctly. Okay, fine. So this what is a karyotype? There's a picture given. So it's a Klinefelter syndrome, Turner syndrome, Edwards syndrome, or Patau syndrome. Yes, it's Turner syndrome. XO. So testes produce how many spermatozoa daily? 100 to 200 million, 50 to 200, 300 to 400, or 200 to 300. Yes. So it's 200 to 300 million. Gurpreet is okay. So spermiogenesis is a process of spermatogenesis in which there is a conversion of primary spermatocytes to secondary, spermatogonium to primary spermatocytes, secondary spermatocytes to spermatid, or spermatid to mature sperms.
What is spermiogenesis?
Yes, spermatids to mature spermatocytes is the correct answer. In microscopic analysis of semen, which stain is used to identify leukocytes? Eosin Y, trypan blue, nigrosin, or peroxidase?
What is the name of the test? So we will find out the stain.
Yes, peroxidase is the correct answer.
This is called as peroxidase test.
So name of the following device which is used to measure testicular volume. This is the picture given. Sager orchidometer, Prader orchidometer, vernier caliper, or endocrinometer. Yes, Prader orchidometer. Maximum answered correctly. So acid phosphatase enzyme is secreted by the following glands: seminal vesicles, prostate, bulbourethral glands, skin glands. Yes, prostate.
Wow, Srini, yes.
Yeah.
Dr. Gurpreet,
According to
Yes.
RCOG guideline 2023, recurrent miscarriages are defined as 2 or more first trimester miscarriage, 3 or more first trimester miscarriage, 4 or more, or 1 or more. All first trimester miscarriages. Yes, 3 or more first trimester miscarriages. Okay, fine. Anmol is now first. Uterine fibers subclassification within the FIGO, abnormal uterine bleeding classification system, type 1, that is given in the this diagram, is pedunculated fibroid, less than 50% of intramural, less than or equal to 50% of intramural, or intramural. Yes, less than 50% of intramural. Okay, now Anmol has first, Gurpreet is second.
First, yeah, please.
Best treatment for female factor with bilateral hydrosalpinx. Consider salpingectomy prior to IVF. Consider tubal aspiration prior to IVF. Consider IVF treatment without pre-treatment. Treatment with antibiotics to reduce the hydrosalpinx. Yes, consider salpingectomy prior to IVF. Is the correct answer. Okay. Women under the age of 35 years with AMH less than 1.2 nanograms per ml and AFC less than 5 would fall in which of the positive groups? Group 1A, Group 1B, Group 3, or Group 4? Yes, group 3 is the correct answer. The eligible age criteria of oocyte donor in India according to new ART law is 20 to 35 years, 21 to 40 years, 23 to 35 years, 20 to 30 years. Yes, 23 to 35 years is the correct answer. How many couples will conceive in first year of marriage after unprotected regular intercourse according to new ASRM 2022 guidelines? 80%, 90%, 95%, and 85%. Yes. 80%, right, is the correct answer. Now the last question. Anmol. Okay. The gamete of a donor or embryo shall be stored for a period of not more than how many years in India according to new ART law? It's 11 years, 5 years, 6 years, or 10 years. Yes, 10 years is the correct answer. Shivam, please unmute Dr. Arun sir. So can we have the winners? First 4 winners. Anshu, first is Anmol. Okay, second Anshu, third is Srinidhi, and fourth one is Gurpreet. Okay, congratulations.
We start. Oh, no, Shivam, please show that podium.
Yeah, sharing again, sir.
First is Anshu.
First is Anmol.
Anmol. ठीक है. Second is Anshu and third is Srinidhi.
One second. Second is Anshu. Third is Srinidhi. And fourth is Gurpreet.
Sir, Gurpreet.
Fifth is
Sir, fifth भी करना है?
we just find out who is the fifth one. Shivam?
शिवम fifth कौन है?
Yes, sir. Sharing. Wait a second. Fifth one is Parvinder.
Parvinder.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now, Shivam, let them be on the Zoom and we talk to them, right?
Okay.
Dr. Anmol, please unmute yourself and put on your video and yes, Dr. Anmol. Dr. Anmol is first. No?
Good evening, sir.
Okay.
Even Anmol, you are from Chandigarh.
Chandigarh chapter, yes, sir.
So well
Yeah.
done.
Well
Thank
done.
you so much.
Congratulations, Anmol. So please
Thank you so
mobile
much, sir.
number first.
Sorry, sir.
Tell your mobile number.
Sir, it's 9569
Dr.
Nine.
Parth, keep on recording. 95.
9569
142
142
904.
904. Okay.
So you are
So-
coming to what division, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir.
So it's on sixth post lunch semi-final quiz.
Okay,
I will
ma'am.
add you in the group. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.
Anshu is from which? Anshu is from Haryana.
Good evening,
Congratulations,
sir.
Anshu.
Thank you, sir.
Where are you working?
Sir, I'm working in Rewari, Haryana.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you are a studying?
No, sir, I'm practicing in a private
Okay.
hospital.
So please tell your number. Dr.
98
98
215
215
38
38.
756.
Okay. ठीक है.
Thank you, ma'am.
So you're coming to for division.
Yes, ma'am.
So semi-final will be on 6th post lunch.
Thank you so much,
I
ma'am.
will add you in the group.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
And third is, thank you, Vijay. Third is Srinidhi.
Srinidhi.
Srinidhi, please.
Good evening, sir.
She's again from
Thank
Haryana. Where are you working, Srinidhi?
Sir, I'm presently working in Delhi since the past few weeks. I've been working in Delhi.
Okay.
You have completed your studies, is it?
Yes, yes, sir. As an SR, I'm working.
Yes. Where?
Right, presently in Madan Mohan, Delhi.
Where?
Madan Mohan Malviya Hospital.
Okay.
Madan Mohan. Okay. So can you share your number, please?
Yes, yes, ma'am. 900
900
387
387
6277.
6277. So you're coming to for division.
Yes, ma'am.
So semi-final will be on 6th post lunch, and I will add you in the semi-final
Yes,
group.
ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Fourth is Dr. Gurpreet.
हाँ जी.
Good evening.
Good evening, Dr.
Good
Gurpreet.
evening.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Sir, मैं फर्स्ट डिवीजन नहीं आ रही.
नहीं आ रही?
नहीं मैम. Already some commitments are there for that time.
Okay.
So then we have the Parvinder, Dr.
हाँ
Parvinder.
जी. हाँ जी.
Dr. Parvinder.
y- Yes, sir. Good
Hello.
evening, sir.
Good evening.
Are you coming to your division?
Yes, sir. I'll be coming.
So you are lucky that one of the so this is sometimes luck plays, no?
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Please share your number with Dr. Parul and
Yeah. What's the number, please?
My number is 99206
206
44
44
787.
787. So
so
semi-final quiz will be on 6th December post lunch.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so I will add you in a group.
So Dr. Parul, we have two people from Haryana,
हाँ जी.
Srinidhi and Anshu, right?
Okay.
And two people from
पंजाब. Chandigarh.
We, Dr. Parvinder and Dr. Anu.
ठीक है sir.
I'll be reaching after lunch on 6th to Ahmedabad. What time will be it?
Sir, time क्या?
It will be around 5 or 6 somewhere. When you reach before.
Yeah, by that time I'll be there. So, okay.
So once we finish the workshops, and then Dr. Parul, once we finish the workshops, then we have a quiz.
अच्छा 5 o'clock के बाद ही होगा सर फिर.
हाँ 5 o'clock के बाद.
क्योंकि उस दिन इनॉग्रेशन भी है सर.
ओके नहीं हो तो उस दिन थोड़ी है 6 को
सर
थोड़ी.
उसी दिन है 6 को इनॉग्रेशन है एंड 7th को वो कल्चर प्रोग्राम है.
6 को कितने बजे इनॉग्रेशन मेरे को उन्होंने
सर
जो
एक मिनट अभी इन्होंने वीडियो अभी शेयर किया है वो मैं एक मिनट टाइम मुझे नहीं पता.
बट इट विल बी आफ्टर 5 समथिंग.
तो सर वो जैसी वर्कशॉप होगी खत्म तभी कर देंगे.
हाँ तभी करेंगे बीच में नहीं करेंगे.
ठीक है ठीक है.
Congratulations, Dr. Loveleen, 2 people from your chapter and 2 people from Haryana.
डॉक्टर सीमा हाँ. ओके. डॉक्टर सीमा इज नॉट देयर सर.
Dr. Seema has not joined.
या ओके. ठीक है सर मैं ऐड कर देती हूँ इन चारों को. हाँ जी.
Right, congratulations to the winners. So we see you in semi-final at first division, right, on 6th of December. So good luck for semi-final, and I hope North Zone does better and reaches the finals, right? Congratulations, everyone.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
ओके.